Hello everyone, this is Damni V. Gaura from SPC College. So I'm here to explain you about uses of plastic in road construction or waste in road construction. So my contents are first introduction, then plastic roads, materials used, methods of mixing, advantages and disadvantages. Um, in the introduction, presently global production of glass is about 360 million tons. Average wild slide utilizes of plastic is 45 kg per person. Safe deposits of waste plastic is serious environmental problem in nowadays. Then comes what is plastic roads. Plastic roads can be a roads which entirely consist of modules, hollow and road elements made from consumer waste plastic. However, most plastic roads consist of waste plastic used to replace bitumen mixed with recycling alpha. Then comes the materials used like PET or PTE polythenes, then PP are used, then iron low density polythenes are used. Then comes the advantages. Durability. Plastic bitumen's consist roads are more durable than Halpet's concerned roads. Water resistance. Plastic roads don't absorb water, which helps preventing slipping or something. Then maintenance. Plastic roads requires low maintenance and have a longer lifespan compared to the other roads. Then constructions using recycling plastic reduces waste, which so that it can be used in the construction of roads. So the plastic waste will be utilized. Then comes the disadvantages, environmental impacts. Plastic can break down into microplastics that can pollute soil and water. Plastics in landfills can leak pollutants and then create gaseous pollutions. Then structural weakness. Using incompletable plastic in pure plastic roads can cause structural weakness. Maintenance maintenance on modular plastic roads are interrupted power, water and internet. Thank you.